This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures, beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Morning guys, April 10th, 2019. This one here I got a call from a guy, a sink that's dripping. So he said there's water underneath that is dripping. He had to shut the water off at the shutoffs. And he might need a new faucet or something, he said. So I'm on my way over there now and to see what he's talking about. Sometimes it's an easy fix, sometimes, you know, shit's just loose. Sometimes you gotta replace the faucet supplies. I'll take one step at a time here. But I'm on my way over there and see what we can do. I think it's this hose. Yeah.
Leaks on the floor, and it also grips in the sink.
This is loose, right? This is your problem right here. See, this is loose?
Yeah.
When it was running, it's probably running right down here. Packing nut's a little loose, but I can tighten that up. That's not a big deal. See, this was loose. The aerator. That's probably what your problem was. Yeah, that little bit on the floor is just the packing nuts loose. That's no big deal. You understand what I'm saying? See this aerator? Yeah. This aerator's loose. This is not connected, and it's like a little copper tube coming up here. So if this is loose and spraying up into this jacket area, running down. So let me just tighten up that packing. I think that's all it was. Packing's loose. It's loose. There's a little copper tube that comes up here that attaches to it. That's which one it was. I'll make sure this faucet don't drip. I don't see it dripping. Yeah, that's good. You're looking very stylish today. Oh, you want to drive? I know you love driving. You love driving. Yeah, you love driving. You love driving the truck. Oh, I know you love driving. You're looking very stylish today. Miss Molly. Miss Molly.